Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can outline a frame in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected a black image template, and here in the elements we are just going to search for pet. Okay, let's select this one image, right, and set this image as a background. Okay, now we are just going to search for a frame, and there are lots of frames available. For example, whatever the frame you want, you can simply select that particular frame, right? For example, I have selected this one frame, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to elements again, and here I'm going to select this photo and drag and drop this photo into the frame over here, right? Now we have successfully added a photo into the frame, and now we are going to add an outline outside the frame, right? So I have just selected this frame, and now we are going to click on the stroke style, and here we have clicked on this kind of stroke, and here we have just given it an outline. Right now the outline color is black. You can simply change the stroke color by clicking on the stroke color option, and here you can select any of the color, whatever color you want, right? You can also add the gradient color, right? So in this manner you can simply give an outline to a frame inside Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.